Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I want to keep building my camper van, and last time I have installed some solar panels on the roof. And installing those solar panels was really tricky, but now I'm finally done with them. And what I want to work on today is I want to bring the solar cables through the roof into the camper van. And for that I've bought this little thingy here. It's like a small housing unit, and I also have to drill 2 holes into the roof, and for that I have bought these rubber grommets, and also I have to use this cable here, which is 6 square millimeters thick, so that's a pretty thick cable, and that's because I have 2 very powerful solar panels on my roof, which gives me 240 watts, and that results in, I believe, almost 13 amperes. So yeah, this is why I need these thicker cables. Okay, so now I have to figure out where I gotta go through with the cables and where I should place this thing, this housing. Alright, so I want to go as small as possible. Nice. So these small rubber grommets have the perfect size. Okay, so as you can see, we had a couple of rainy days. The good thing is that now this aluminium profile, it is protected by the solar panels, so I do not have any water collecting in this top rim here anymore, so this is dry, which is a good thing. The only water that I still have in here is here, so I have to fill this gap with some silicone. Actually, I've forgotten which polarity is which, so now I got to measure the 2 plugs. 21 volts. So now I know that this is positive and this is negative. Six square millimeters. Wow. Na, du, wie bist denn da reingekommen jetzt schon wieder? Ha? Wie bist du reingekommen, Mucki? Bist du Mucki? Hm? Komm, eine da. Brave Maus. Ja, super, super, super. Super, super, super. Ja. Brav. So. Jo, bist eh brav. Bist eh brav, ja. Bist eh brav, ja. Brav. Oh. Oh. Finally, I got this part done, which is very crucial, I gotta say. Looks pretty good. Oh my god, I'm so happy that this is done now. Pretty cool. 20 volts, although there's no sunshine anymore. Okay, now that this is done, I have to bring the cables back to here. Then I want to come through here, out here, and then I will lead them through these holes maybe. So, and then down here there will be the solar charger and the battery and so on. Okay, maybe I can also go through these holes down here, and maybe I can come out here. I barely got this through here, so now I'm gonna go and take both of the cables and lead them through the pipe. Yeah, I got it through. Oh my god. I cannot believe that I got these thick cables through the housing. Wow, I'm so happy. Wow. Now I can focus on other things, finally. I want to check the voltage again, just to make sure everything works. 20. Nice. Woo! Yeah! Oh my god. I was waiting pretty long to get this done because we were having really bad weather in the last weeks, and now I can focus on the insulation of the walls, and I want to build a sitting group. Alright, so before I end the video, I want to show you my electrical plan. So I have to make this electrical installation plan, and I have to do this to show to a certified electrician once that I'm done, and he then will approve my electrical work or not. So I have two solar panels with 120 watts. It says 18 volts, and both of the solar panels have 6.67 amperes. Now we have connected the solar panels in parallel, and before we have connected them in parallel, the length of the cables here is 1 meter. 1 meter, okay? So this is important because I also have to do voltage drop calculation for the electrician. And after the connection, I have about 2.8 meters of cable length right now. So this is the 1 meter has 4 square millimeters of thickness, and after the connection we have about 2.8 meters of 6 of diameter. Okay, so and as I continue building my electrical thing, I will keep drawing this plan. So the plan is that I'm going to make a breaker just before the MPPT solar charger, and then I'm going to connect the solar charger to two batteries, and then I also will connect an inverter to the batteries. Yeah, so that's the plan, and we will see how everything will work out. And I actually met the electrician before I started with the work, and this is the calculation he has given to me to calculate the voltage drop. Alright, my friends, so now I will clean up this chaos a little bit, and then maybe I will do a little bit more insulation on the walls, but I'm not going to film that because it's the most boring job ever. So yeah, it's very simple. You just cut out your rectangles from this armor flags and then you glue it to the wall. So it's nothing complicated, and yeah, it's really boring, so I'm not going to film it. Anyway, I'm really happy that I finally got this done, and also I found a really nice way to come down with the cables, and then next time we can start building the bench and maybe also installing the battery. But right now we are having a pretty tight lockdown, so I'm not sure when I can get to the next hardware store to get some plywood and such. So yeah, we will see. Thank you for watching and stay tuned till next time.